Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update Notion. So let's get started. Open your Notion desktop application on your PC. Understand that the Notion application is updated automatically when it connects to the workspace. If you encounter problems with the application and need to reinstall it, follow the steps below. First, open your web browser and search for Notion Desktop App or Notion app. Click on the official Notion website link. Navigate to the download section and choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Click on the download button and the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to initiate the installation process. Follow the installation prompts as you would for any other software. If you already have Notion installed, the installer may detect it and prompt you to update. Follow the instructions to proceed with the update. Once the installation or update process is complete, you will have the latest version of Notion successfully installed on your PC. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!